Microwaves, those trusty kitchen companions that can reheat leftovers, defrost dinner in a flash, and even whip up surprisingly delicious meals. But with so many options on the market, choosing the right microwave oven. This video I will explores the top 5 best microwave ovens in 2024, giving you the features, functionality, and what it's really like to use them. Number 1. Panasonic 1.2 Inverter Microwave, Style, Countertop, Capacity 1.2 cubic feet. The Panasonic 1.2 Inverter Microwave boasts Panasonic's inverter technology, which promises even and consistent cooking. This translates to perfectly reheated dishes. No more hot spots or cold centers. In my experience, this technology lives up to the hype. My frozen dinners come out evenly cooked, and delicate dishes like fish don't end up overdone on the edges. The 1.2 cubic feet capacity offers ample space for most dishes, making it a great choice for families. Number 2. Samsung Countertop Microwave, Style, Countertop, Capacity 1.1 cubic feet. The Samsung Countertop Microwave is all about space-saving design. While its capacity is slightly smaller than the Panasonic, it still packs a punch with features like sensor cooking and digital controls. The sensor cooking takes the guesswork out of reheating. Simply place your food in the microwave and let the sensor determine the optimal cooking time and power. During my testing, sensor cooking worked well for basic reheating tasks, but for more complex dishes, I preferred manual settings. This microwave is ideal for those with limited counter space. Number 3. Solwave Stainless Steel Commercial Microwave, Style, Countertop, Capacity 0.9 cubic feet. The Solwave Stainless Steel Commercial Microwave is a beast. In a good way, this countertop model boasts a heavy-duty build and higher wattage compared to the others on this list. It's perfect for those who need a microwave that can handle heavy-duty tasks like quickly defrosting large cuts of meat. However, the trade-off is size. The Solwave has a larger footprint than the other countertop options. In my experience, the higher wattage did make a difference in speed, but it also required closer monitoring to avoid overcooking. This microwave is ideal for those who prioritize power and durability. Number 4. Breville Combi Wave 3-in-1 Microwave, Style, Countertop, Capacity 1.1 cubic feet. The Breville Combi Wave 3-in-1 Microwave is more than just a microwave. It's a countertop convection oven and air fryer all rolled into one. This multifunctional marvel allows you to bake, roast, air fry, and microwave, all on a single appliance. During testing, I was impressed by the versatility. I could perfectly roast vegetables in the convection setting and then use the air fryer function to crisp them up. However, the learning curve can be a bit steeper with all the different functions. This microwave is ideal for those who want to ditch multiple appliances and embrace a do-it-all countertop solution. Number 5. LG Over-the-Range Microwave, Style, Built-in, Capacity 1.8 cubic feet. The LG Over-the-Range Microwave offers a sleek built-in design that saves counter space and integrates seamlessly with your range. The large 1.8 cubic feet capacity makes it perfect for bigger families or those who like to cook in bulk. During testing, I found the built-in ventilation system effective at removing cooking odors. However, installation requires professional help, and the venting system can be a bit noisy on higher settings. This microwave is ideal for those who prioritize aesthetics, ventilation, and a spacious cooking cavity.